I want to love you. I want to love you like scars don't exist. I want to touch you. I want to touch you until my hands feel like your second skin. My God. I want to kiss you. I want to kiss you until your lips go numb and my story is laid out on your tongue and your taste buds get amnesia and forget all the bitterness it has known. But there is danger when two dry rocks collides, builds a spark, turns into a flame, burns inside of you, burns inside of you, burns you. I am afraid of what I have turned you into, a house filled with warmth that every passerby feels the need for your heat, and now your house is too crowded for me. No longer has space to accommodate me. Don't you know that fire needs space to breathe? Fire needs air to breathe. Fire needs oxygen to breathe, my darling. Why are you suffocating yourself? You are serving and saving souls that do not know your worth, only know that you exist when they feel cold. Close your arms, close your doors. You do not know what you are spreading your flames onto. Not everything you touch is gasoline. They will not feed your fire. They have just came back from swimming. They are too wet to understand the dynamics of your flame. How dare you let them destroy what we have created? Don't you know what happens to dead fire? The logs burn, they turn into ash, and some leftover charcoal still used for art if lucky, yet still stains the artist's hands, telling beautiful tales of, I know you. I've seen you somewhere before, somewhere between the sun and the moon's glow. You have created a crown out of your own spine. I have seen you hold your bones as spears. I have seen you stab yourself with your own bones and buried your head in sparks of your own crown. I have seen you on fire. I have seen you in fire. I have seen you burn, but I see you now, ready to blow into the wind as ash, still learning to forgive yourself for burning too much. But I stand before you, asking for your hand to touch you, to hold you, to carry your ash as I did to your fire. But I am afraid of blowing kisses to your ash as I did to your fire, because moaning your change of breathing season never worked in favor of your autumn leaves. But I will forever cherish the beautiful mess that we created, because I still want to love you. I want to touch you until my hands feel like your second skin. My God, I want to kiss you until your lips go numb and my story is laid out on your tongue and your taste buds get amnesia and forget all the bitterness it has known. Fire.